I'm sure you've heard that saying, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I just recorded a podcast episode with just an amazing, amazing guest. He used to be a certified PBT practitioner working within the PBT Institute and then moved. But I had him on the podcast, and this is someone who's been through the worst of the worst. And he has every right to be angry and bitter and resentful and miserable. And his betrayal almost killed him. And then he made all these changes, and he is one of the most loving beings I know. So I'm so excited to share that episode with you, but just know that yes, you have every right to be hurt and bitter and angry and resentful. Don't give that person that much power. What you can also do is use the pain as a launch pad for transformation. That's trauma well served. He didn't do anything you couldn't do. I didn't do anything you couldn't do. There's a proven, predictable roadmap. It's the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Don't stay stuck. You've been through the worst of it already. You owe it to yourself to move through the stages. If you had any idea what stage 4 and stage 5 feels like, you never waste an extra moment in any of those other stages. So here to help however I can, but I just wanted to share because it was just such an uplifting, loving interview from someone who, I always say that betrayal is one of the most painful of the human experiences. The only thing that I think could be worse is the death of a child, and he's been through that too. So if he can do it, so can you. Follow for more.